What's the impact of beer sales to the U.S. economy? Find out next in our Beer Culture Moment. Following numbers are from a study published in 2017. If you go out to the internet and you just Google Beer Serves America, you'll actually be able to read the same study. But brewers and beer importers directly employ 64,745 Americans, and about 58% of brewing jobs are linked to large and medium-sized brewers and breweries. But don't forget about the 37,000 agricultural jobs either, supplying the grain to those breweries. And beer distributors directly employ 134,240 Americans. Overall, the beer industry contributes more than $350 billion in economic output, which is equal to about 1.9% of the U.S. gross domestic product. Suppliers to the brewing industry, enterprises that manufacture bottles, caps, kegs, cardboard cases, brewing equipment, or marketing displays, generate nearly $115.3 billion more in economic activity and are responsible for more than 491,000 jobs alone. And then there's the partner jobs. So those are things like the restaurant, bars, the convenience stores where beer is sold. There's 915,700 more jobs through that outlet. $63 billion generated at the federal, state, and local level. That's 41% of every beer sold is going to taxes. That seems lopsided and unfair, just my opinion. But each job in the brewing industry, actually for every person that's in the brewing industry, they're employing 30 other people downstream. So think about that and think about that impact to our economy. That's our Beer Culture Moment.
This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.